Hey, it's Rich, the Louisiana Hobby Guy. I know you guys aren't used to seeing me in person, but here I am. Some people believe I didn't exist, but yeah, I'm here and I'm back. It's been about a week since I've done a video, and let me explain why. So I've been trying to partition off my outbuilding at the house, I guess for about 2 months now. And I'm trying to get out of the garage. You know, when I started this whole thing about 3 months ago, I really didn't expect to get so many followers. It was mainly a channel that was started to help a few of my friends that saw that I had a laser, got involved in it, were very excited by it, and ran into a lot of problems along the way. And just a quick point to make. I'm absolutely no expert on lightburn. So a lot of people out there, they call me these names like expert and guru and, you know, things like that. But really all I did was read the manual, and I refer back to it all the time. And I'm constantly finding new things that lightburn does. So no, I'm not a guru. I'm not an expert. But I'm just a user, just like you. I've been using the software now for about maybe a little more than 4 months. And I've just seen a lot of people online that need help, that don't read the manual. And I guess most people don't read manuals, but I do. And let me apologize today for the sound quality, because moving into this new space out here in the workshop, we put down hardwood floors. So there's quite a bit of echo in here. Plus I've got a 3D print going on back there, a 10-hour 3D print. I can't use my laser just quite yet because it's not hooked up to the smoke exhaust. I've got a 1000 CFM blower up in the attic that's going to suck out all of the exhaust from the laser. And until we get that hooked up, I'm not comfortable using that. And you shouldn't be comfortable. I have a rule. It says, if you can smell it, it's bad for you. So that's the reason why I went with the 1000 CFMs. Yeah, it's loud, but you won't hear it in here because it's up in the attic. So when I turn it on, you'll probably just hear the sound, the whooshing sound. So I haven't actually gotten my lasers in here, except for the CO2. That's the only one that's in here right now. And that's not hooked up because I don't have the exhaust hooked up yet. But in the next couple days, I'll have them in here. I'll be back to making videos again. You won't see my big mug on the screen filling up your picture. But I might put a little picture in the picture down below now that you don't have to look at my car and my washer and dryer and everything else from the garage. So this is just a quick video update. A couple people have emailed me and said, hey, what's going on? You're not making videos anymore. Well, it's only been a week. So I'm actually kind of shocked because, most people only make 1 or 2 videos a week. But yeah, I've been working real hard on this. My son has been a godsend. He did all the construction. He did all the electrical, 150 feet of wiring, 100 amp service out here so that I can have everything powered up and running at the same time with a 220 circuit. And he did all of the framing, and my other friend did all of the sheetrock. And I sort of helped. But my old bones are aching from the little bit that I did. So, yeah, so that's the update. And really all I wanted to do is give everybody an update. I will be back at it right after Thanksgiving. Next week comes my most favorite holiday of the year, which is Thanksgiving. So we're traveling up north to New Jersey, and we're going to be spending a week with the family. And I'll be back on December 2nd. So I don't really celebrate really hard any of the other holidays of the year. I'm going to go right through Christmas. I'll be right back to making videos in my new space, and hopefully you all keep watching and subscribing. I'm really astounded that I've reached 5,100 subscribers, and I thank you all so much for that in just 3 short months, which is kind of unheard of for such a small type channel where it's such a focused niche like we are, the laser community. But I'm glad that you all are subscribing. I'm glad that you all are liking the videos. And trust me, I've got a lot more coming from reading the manual that will probably surprise even the best of lightburn users. So stick around. And oh, by the way, this guy right up here on the TV in the back, that's my friend Jerry at 3DHP. So check out his channel, 3DHP. He has a great Saturday live meeting, live stream that sometimes I'm on there. And they talk about everything from lasers to CNCs to 3D printing. And I know so many of us are into all three. So you'd probably enjoy that friend. Check out my friend Jerry up here at 3DHP. I keep his channel on all the time. It's a great channel. He's got some great videos. He does some unboxing, some testing. And I've got an unboxing coming as well right after I get back from vacation of a new laser. So in the future, I'm going to be switching back and forth between diode lasers. So I'm going to go between a 5 watt, the ortur, the 14.2 watt, the Neodymium, and another new one that I just came in actually. I've already gotten it. I don't have it here in the shop yet, but it'll be here soon. So I'll be switching back and forth. So for you people that have different powers, oh, and I also have my old 2.5 watt laser too that I'm going to bring in here, and I'm just going to switch them off on my workbench over here for different videos. So there'll be a taste of something for everybody. So again, I'd just like to thank you all so much for watching my videos, subscribing to the channel, and of course my Patreons with their generous donations every month, and even my one-time donations through PayPal. Y'all are just the greatest and really surprised me. I can't even tell you how much I'm surprised by how generous all of you are, not only with your time, but with your money. So, as always, I thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon.